Hello students. In the previous video we have learned about the perimeter of any closed figure. Today we are going to learn the area for any closed figure. Actually, what was the perimeter, student? Let's quick revise it. Suppose this is the square and perimeter is sum of all the sides. This is the perimeter. It means boundary, total boundary, and the total length of boundary is called perimeter. And if I say about the area, suppose this is the space this figure has occupied. So this is the area of this square. Boundary of any figure is its perimeter, and the space occupied by any of the figure is called its area. Suppose this is a triangle, and triangle has occupied this area, this space. So this is the area of this triangle. Suppose we are keeping some some goods or some things on, like we have bed in our homes. So suppose this is the bed and you have kept it into one room. So the space occupied by this bed is its area. The space occupied, how much space this bed or this another furniture is taking, so that is the area. The total space occupied by any of the figure is called its area. So suppose we have to find the area of square, area of rectangle, that is the we can find by one formula. So suppose we have to find the area of square, that is side multiply by side, because side is the length of one side will be multiplied by the side. If we have to find the area of rectangle, length will be multiplied by breadth, where L is length and B is breadth. So length of rectangle will be multiplied by the breadth of rectangle. If we say unit of area is, means how we measure the area. We measure in square meter or square centimeter. We measure it in square meter or square centimeter. So that's it. All about on these formula basis we will find the area of the given exercise which is in our book. So let's do the exercise. Exercise 8C, this is the manual exercise, students. See, some figures are given. We have to find the area of these shaded portions. So means how much square it has occupied. There is a square chart and some figures are made. So let's do it. Find the area of shaded part. Each square represent 1 square centimeter. So how we will find it? See, we will count all the square which the figure has occupied. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will be 8 centimeter square. Suppose we have to find this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How much square it has occupied? 5 square. So 5 centimeter square. Suppose we have to find this. So how much it has occupied? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 are completely it has occupied, and remaining, see, half and half 1 5, half and half 1 6, half and half 1 7, half and half 1 8. So it will be 8 centimeter square. In the same way, these are the regular figure. Actually some the measurement of each square is given. Suppose the measurement is not given, how we will find the irregular shapes area? Let's do it. So always we have to keep in mind, student, whenever we are finding the area, the length and the breadth should be in the same measurement unit. If it is not in the same measurement unit, in the last chapter only we have learned how to convert the measurements into the same measurement unit. So first we will convert those measurements into the same units, then we will find the area of given figure. Let's do the exercise 8D. Find the approximate area of each of the following shapes. How we will find? See, this, as you can observe, this is some squares are given, but after this some squares are occupied. See, this square, very less square it has occupied. This square, it has occupied more than half, it has occupied half, then it is occupied very less, it has occupied more than, means very less. Then if I will draw this, so it will be completed. So it is more than half. So let's do it. See, till here we can see the space is fully occupied. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 7 is 63. Till here it is 63, then 64 5 6. So 66 plus, now see, 1 2 3 4. So 4 is fully 1 2 3 4. Now see, this is more than 1, and this is more than 1, and this is more than 1. So 1 2, and it is, as it is more than 1, because some part is here also, some part is here also, so we will consider it as 3. 1 2, and this, it is more than half, and some like from space here is there, so it will be considered as 3. So 66 plus 4 is 70, is equals to 73 centimeter square. See, it is not, it can be the 74 also according to the measurement, as we are taking these, the half occupied space or more than half or less than half occupied space. So it is the approximate, it is not the exactly, actually it is the estimated, it is the estimated area of this figure occupied by this figure. So it is 73. Let's do another one. See, if I found this, so let's do the complete, the, you know, the box which is complete. I have marked the line. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Now 20 plus this is 1, completely 1, then this is, see, more than 1, this is more than 1, and this is more than 1. So consider it as, see, this is 1 and this is more than 1, so take it as 2. 2 squares means it is approximately 2. It is not exactly the 2. It can be considered as 3 also according to the estimation. So 20 plus 1 is 21, 22 and 23. So it is 23 centimeter square, or it can be the 24 also according to the estimation of these square boxes. In the same way, we can find the area of this type of irregular shapes. I hope you all have understood. In the next exercise, we will learn how to find the area of square and the area of rectangle. Hello students, let's do the exercise 80. In the previous video we have learned about the irregular shapes area, or irregular or regular, some regular figures area. Now we will learn today that how to find the area of rectangle and the area of square. In the previous video I have said in the exercise 8 C and D what is the formula for finding area of square and the area of rectangle. Area of square is side will be multiplied by side. Area of rectangle is length will be multiplied by breadth. So let's find this. Find the area of these shapes using the formula. So formula is, we know this is the rectangular face, this is the rectangular figure, this is the rectangular figure. So as we know, area of rectangle is length will be multiplied by breadth. So let's find the length. How many squares are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is the length and 1, 2, 3. 3 is the breadth. Now what will be area? 5 multiplied by 3 is equals to 15 square centimeter. In the same way, if we will find this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 centimeter is the length, and let's find the breadth. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the breadth. 4 centimeter is the breadth. Now what will be the area? Length will be multiplied by breadth. 6 4s are 24. So 24 square centimeter or centimeter square. This is the area of rectangle. Now let's find the area of square. See, in this is the square figure. This is also the square figure. So square figure, there is only sides because all the sides are equal. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So all the sides are equal. It is 3 centimeter. Do it centimeter because it is meter is written here. It is misprint. So area will be area of square is side multiplied by side, where S stands for, S is equals to side, length of one side. So 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to 9 centimeter square or square centimeter. Now in the same way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the length of side, 5 centimeter. Now side multiplied by side is equals to 5 5s are 25 square centimeter. In the same way, we can find the area of rectangle and the square. Let's do the another question. Find the area of following square. Square, as we know side multiply by side. So 6 6 ja 36 centimeter square. Area of rectangle, how we will find? Area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. So what is the length here? 5, and centimeter, what is the breadth here? 2 centimeter. 5 to the 10 centimeter square. Let's do the question number D. Question number D is, find the area of rectangle whose length is equals to 1 meter, breadth is equals to 75 centimeter. Now if length is given and breadth is given, how we will find? Students, let's do it. See, as we know, area of rectangle is equals to length multiplied by breadth. As we know, area of square is equals to side multiplied by its side. So question number D is, length is equals to 1 meter, breadth is equals to 75 centimeter. Now both are in different measurement units. So let's convert 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 100 centimeter, and the what will be the formula? Area of rectangle will be length multiplied by breadth. So what is the length here? That is 100 centimeter. Will be multiplied by 75 centimeter. So 175 is a 100 centimeter square. In the same way, we can do the another questions also. Let's do the area of square. Area of square is, as we know, area of square is, E part is, find the area of square whose side is given, side is equals to 20 centimeter. So we know what is the area of square is equals to side multiply by side. What is the side here? 20 centimeter. So 20 centimeter will be multiplied by 20 centimeter. So 20 is a 2 to the 4 and how many 0? 2 0. So centimeter square. It will be 400 centimeter square. In the same way we can find the another area of square. I hope you all have understood how to find the area of rectangle, how to find the area of square. Before that you should learn both the formula how to find the area of rectangle and area of square. Again I am repeating to make it learn. Area of square is equals to side multiplied by side. Area of rectangle is equals to length will be multiplied by its breadth. And you always have to keep it in mind that both the measurements should be, in the case of rectangle, length and breadth should be in the same measurement unit. Then only you can find the correct. You cannot multiply the different centimeter by meter. You cannot multiply. Both the units should be in centimeter. Both the units should be in meter. So before finding the area, you should ensure that you should check that the measurement unit are same for length and breadth. I hope you all have understood how to find the area of rectangle and square. Now let's learn how to find the area of triangle. Before that, student, you should understand these type of figure. See, if I see this is a rectangular shape. If I see this is the rectangular shape. If I see this is the rectangular shape, this is also maximum all the figures are rectangular. So what we have to do is squares are given. See, this is drawn on the square. Some squares are given. How to find the area? See students, this is the half of this. This is the triangle and this is the half of this rectangle. So how we will find the area of this? We will find the area of this rectangle. After that we will divide it by 2 because it is half the triangle is half to its rectangle. So 3 2s are 6. What will be the area? Length will be multiplied by breadth. The length will be multiplied by breadth. Now see what is the length here. What is the length here? For exercise 8F. What is the length here? 3 centimeter. Length is equals to 3 centimeter. Breadth is equals to 2 centimeter. Area of rectangle will be 3 centimeter will be multiplied by 2 centimeter, that is 6 centimeter. As it is half to this rectangle, how we will find the area of triangle will be 6 centimeter square divided by 2. So it will be 3 centimeter square. So area of this figure will be 3 centimeter square. In the same way, the all question 2, 3, 4, 5, we have to find the area of rectangle and we will divide it by 2 because this triangle is the half area of this rectangle. Now let's do the question number 6. Question number 6, students, let me tell you. Question number 6, if you will see, you cannot see this is the half area, but if I put this line, this is also the rectangle, this is also the rectangle and this is also the rectangle. So what will be there is, and this triangle if we suppose I am A, B, C, D, I have put the name. If I add A, B, C, A, B, D, this area and plus this area, it will be the whole triangular area. Now how we will find is, see, this we know it is 4 centimeter, and this, let's count the square, 1, 2, 3. It is 3 centimeter. It is 3 centimeter. It is, so 4 3s are 12. Now what will be the, if I found this rectangular area, it will be length multiplied by breadth is equals to 4 centimeter multiplied by 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter multiplied by 4 centimeter is equals to 12 centimeter square. Now see, if I divide by 2, because this is the rectangle which is divided into 2 equal parts, so we will divide it by 2. So divide it by 2, it will be 6 centimeter square. Now area of this is 6 centimeter square. Let's find this area. So it is 4 multiplied by 3, so it will also the 12 centimeter square. Now this is the half of this rectangle, we will divide it by 2. It is also the 6 centimeter square. Now area of ABC will be, area of triangle ABC will be 6 centimeter square plus 6 centimeter square is equals to 12 centimeter square. So area of this will be, area of this shaded part will be 12 centimeter square. In the same way, we can find the area of given figures which is in the exercise 8F. I hope you all have understood. Thank you everyone for paying attention.